We have is a 97 Corvette. We're putting an A&A blower, supercharger in there. I think Jeff has actually got that thing in there. We loaded a base tune in it just to get it started up. We can check all the fluid levels, finalize all the wiring type of stuff. Then Tim will take it into the dyno and do a complete tune on that thing.
All right, we got here a 1997 Corvette, the very first C5. This started everything for the LS platform. It was introduced into the Camaros in '98, so you don't see many 97s around. Now, what we did to this one, we put an A&A supercharger on it. It has exhaust and that's it, so we'll see how much power she makes. We got a pretty decent bass tune in it, and do some logging here and see what she does. Should see about 10 pounds of boost, roughly. So, hoping for somewhere north of 530 wheel horsepower or so. Keep it conservative because it is a cool day out. This car will be driven in the summertime. We want to make sure that we do not push the envelope. So, what I'm going to do is going to get her in high gear. And then we'll give her a pull. All right, here we go. That made a little bit more than 10 pounds of boost. It's a little bit cooler out today. We have fresh air being drawn in from the outside of the building. I think it's about 15 degrees outside right now, so we're seeing about 40-degree intake temperatures. So that's going to increase our boost level. Let's see what we got here. Just shy, 559.95 horsepower and 503 foot-pounds of torque. There is no replacement for boost. I would recommend doing this over a heads and cam setup any day of the week. You have completely stock drivability at park throttle, and when you mat the gas down, I mean, it just unleashes it. So I'm very happy with this setup. I'm sure the customer will be extremely happy with it. You know, come on over Blackdog Speed if you want to make horsepower.